Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Apeks Nitrox DS4 first stage. So this is a very simple, compact little first stage from Apeks. This is very much for the minimalist diver. It doesn't have sort of excess ports. It has just sort of what you need. It's nice and small and compact. It's great for either single cylinders, twin cylinders, or a stage cylinder. This is the Nitrox version, as you can tell from the bright green and yellow coloration of it. So this is actually assembled in a super clean environment. It's got special O-rings on the inside. It's got special greases that mean that it can take oxygen all the way up to 100%. Most first stages only go up to about 40% out of the box, but this one's specially O2 cleaned straight out of the factory. So if you're using accelerated deco or sort of 100% oxygen, it's a great first stage for you. As such, it comes with a M26 thread on the DIN wheel, and it's only available in the DIN configuration. So this has 4 low pressure ports and 1 high pressure port. As you'll see, one of them comes with just a plastic port plug. You'll never have a complete set of port plugs in this. They always have to leave one open just in case you pressurize it. If you pressurize it and it hasn't got any way to relieve the pressure, then you're gonna have to drill it off. So that one will always be open. So you've got 1 high pressure port on one side with 2 low pressure ports and then 2 low pressure ports on the other side. So yeah, you can use it for single cylinders, twin cylinders, get 2 of them facing one another, or the hoses route downwards, or the same for a stage cylinder, or the hoses can just route downwards. Environmentally sealed as well, which just means it's better at cold water performance, and it also means you don't have to wash it quite as thoroughly. But it is an overbalanced first stage, which basically means that the deeper down you go, the more air it can deliver to you. So that's very useful, especially if there is an instant sort of down at depth. It will give you enough gas for yourself and someone else. So it's nice and compact, really tough. You can use it in cold water and warm water, wherever you want. If you're diving on high concentrations of nitrox, then this is a fantastic first stage to look at. This is the Apeks DS4 first stage. Thanks for watching and safe dive.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.